requirements when it comes to anti-money laundering, countering the financing of terrorism, and organized crime generally. We move around the whole Caribbean, and Aruba so kindly.
I am here in Aruba, leading Guyana's delegation at a Caribbean Financial Action Task Force conference, which was concluded today. I've been here since Monday. I attended the conference, which was held at the Hilton Hotel, and I did a lot of work in my room, etc.
Okay.
I asked the Mr. Blackman, who is living on the island, to organize an event for me to meet the Guyanese living on the island, to update them on an important national question taking place in Guyana and an important national issue with which Guyana is confronted, and that is a territorial claim by the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela to 5/8 or 2/3 of Guyana's territory, the county of Esequibo. That claim is currently being litigated at the International Court of Justice. It has a long history, but it is where it is, and the claim is baseless by Venezuela. This matter was settled in 1899 by an arbitral award, as you heard me say, and I explained the whole historical evolution of it. And they have never occupied that part of Guyana that they are claiming. We have always been in occupation, and the contention is a bizarre one. And we are at the International Court of Justice to uphold the arbitral award which settled this matter between Guyana and Venezuela in 1899, and which Venezuela has been acting upon all the time. Then suddenly it comes up with this claim that that arbitral award is invalid and fraudulent. So we are where we are. They were attempting to pass, or they are going to pass, a referendum, and we found certain aspects of the referendum offensive because it seeks to get the people of Venezuela to vote that they will annex part of Esequibo and that they will convert the citizens of Esequibo, who are Guyanese, into Venezuelan citizens and give them Venezuelan ID cards. A ridiculous contention. So we went to the court for preemptive remedies to prohibit Venezuela from acting upon any of those questions. I want to congratulate them for the sterling contribution that they are making to the Arubian society. From all indication, they are leading very stellar lives and are making a significant, small but significant contribution to Aruba and its economy and society. And I hope that I have updated them fully and they now understand this very fundamental territorial issue, and that they are in a better position now to be able to explain to others about this matter, because a lot of people are worried, and that I have allayed whatever fears and anxieties they may have in relation to this issue. Whether I'm in the position or not, Aruba, I have discovered, is a beautiful place. Peaceful, tranquil, and happy. The hotels are splendid. I have never seen such turquoise water in my life. The beaches are spectacular. The food, the restaurant, the bars, nightlife, top class. So definitely I'll be coming back to Aruba with my family to spend time.